we're just going to swap out audio really fast. Let's say you got a kick laid in here like this. Let's say you got this kick. Go either F12 or double click on the name, this little color bar. Go down here to manage sample file. The highlighted one is your sample. You click this swap button with the arrows, and then it goes to it, but you want to do, what you want to do is search kick or go to wherever the kick is you want, or the sample. If you're not looking for a kick, so you want that kick, what you want to do is double click it, and then boom, they all swap out. That file gets replaced. Okay, hope that is a useful tip. Thank you.